I'm gonna come down here and see this guy. This is Prince Charming. Asked that before if you haven't walked him, so maybe there's things that people need to know when they walk you. Super cute. Looks like you have eyeliner on. You're awesome looking. He is a pit mix, 44-pound male. Looks like he's pretty much good with dogs, maybe cats, older kids. Shy at first, but he warms up. He was a little bit barky when I first walked in, but we'll see if he wants some Reiki for a minute. Yeah, we'll see how he responds to it. And do you like Reiki, buddy? Would you like Reiki today? You want to sit with me? You want me to sit with you? Hi, good boy. Hi, you got a nice tail wagging. Look like you're pretty receptive. We got a laundry or a dryer or a washing machine in back, so that's what that noise is. We're always doing laundry here, always making sure the kennels are extremely clean. You're super pretty. Your markings and colors are beautiful, dude. Yeah. You're a pretty boy. Are you a pretty boy? Yeah. You are a pretty boy. You're welcome. Feel like you're still checking it out. I think it's a yes, but I haven't really fully received a yes, so another 30 seconds or so and we'll see how he reacts. He's still trying to decide. Seem to be agitated. Yeah, I think that's a win for today. Yeah, I think that's a win. I think you're liking it. Be receptive. Cleaning up. It's okay. can be in his natural state of playfulness with me here, with the energy. So that's a good sign. He can be himself. He knows I'm not pressing anything on him. I'm just offering it. And he can take it as he wants. Or leave it. I'm glad he knows that. It was a nice introduction. I appreciate you, buddy. Thank you for allowing me to sit with you today. We'll just do a little short time here so you can get your playtime in, okay? I love you, buddy. Thank you.